This is Kat Mendoza into Astrology. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be introducing the new YouTube astrology tutorial videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. In this video, you're going to just find different topics that you will be able to learn, to understand in the Astrology version of astrology. Astrology, you're going to be able to find out and learn about your three main big signs and even more planets and what they mean in the houses. So here we go. I'm going to be sharing with you the topics that you are able to learn here. Number one, we're going to be touching bases and understanding in very simple astrology language. What is astrology? Topic one. What is astrology? What is astrology? What is astrology? Is astrology just like, oh, what is my horoscope of the day? No, my friend. No. Astrology is a lot complex than that. And you'll be able to find that out in the next video. Then the next topic is going to be, you are not just your sun sign. Parentheses, your sun sign is your date of birth. You're able to find out your sun sign. I hope everybody knows your sun sign if you know your birthday. Third topic, one-on-one astrology on defining your sun sign, your rising or ascendant is the same sign, and your moon sign. Then we have the other topic that is going to be going over in deep explanation and astrology vibration. Which of your three astrological signs from your sun, your moon, or your ascendant do you have to use if you choose to read or hear or watch your daily horoscope? You may find out that your sun sign, your date of birth, is not the sign, it's not only the most important sign that you should be reading or listening to when you check your horoscope, your daily horoscope. Yes. Then you're also going to be having a topic where I'm going to be diving into which planets and houses you must check to find out more about your romantic life and your love life. For those that love just like me, I love. Oh, how are matches? A lot of people tell me or ask me or I hear, oh, I'm a Scorpio. What sign is going to be the best love match for me? My friend, it's not just simple as that. We are all so complex and so special and so magical and so special and different that we must see our whole chart and a whole story and a whole planets and houses that I'm going to be teaching you in this course, in these tutorial YouTube videos about how to find your specific other sign or signs depending on the houses that you are the best love matching. That doesn't mean that is boom, you're gonna find only can be a Scorpio, the one that you must love, right, etc. No, it's just how the signs, depending on your personal individual chart and the other personal individual chart, it gets very complex. It's a good connection, a good match, depending on, if they're air signs, earth or fire, etc. Now I'm going crazy and you don't know what I'm saying, but you're gonna find out all of this. Basically, you're gonna find out how to find the best match of signs and planets depending on your specific individual planets and signs and houses in your chart. Whew. Two of the last topics in this series of astrology are the four elements in astrology. We're gonna be diving in and learning about the four elements in astrology and in each sign. So it's going to be really fun to find out the elements and what the elements mean in your signs, in other signs, in the planets, etc. It's going to tell us a lot more to become more self-aware of our journey in this life path time experience through astrology. Then the last the last topic that I have added so far for our series is planets and houses series. So this series is going to take us to the second series. If you follow up, you're really interested, really digging all this content, and you want to really go a little more more advanced in this series, I'm going to start the following series that is going to be all the knowledge that you're going to grab from the first material of the series that I just said, all the topics. The second series is going to be all about planets and houses series. So in here, we're going to be diving into all the different planets and all the different houses and how they manifest into each person's life depending on what's happening in their chart. And I'm gonna be showing you using my chart, because I do not mind to share my chart. I am literally an open book. If you haven't checked out my first published book, The Dance from Dark to Light, totally check it out on Amazon. And I'm working on the audio version, but there is a Kindle version if you want to check that out. It's not about astrology, but I'm just throwing it out there just to let you know that I'm literally an open book. So I'll be sharing my personal astrology chart to be able to show you and really teach you how to find the planets and the houses and all of these in your own chart later on. As an example, this will be shown only in the advanced second series following the first series of topics that I just said. Down below, you're able to click and just go into all my links, all my social medias, everything where you can find me. You can see my art. I'm also a painter, like I said before. You can book an astrology session with me and also book a tarot reading. Everything could be virtual. If you are close by in Long Beach and you are able to come or meet up in Long Beach, you can also do a one-on-one session with me. So book, go into Instagram, click on that, and you'll see in my profile, my link in my main profile, where you can just click book a session, or you can just click down below and click book a session with Kat Mendoza, Astrology Art. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you know anybody who love to join us in here. Thank you, and see you very soon. I love you guys. I love you. What are your three main big signs? What is your sun? What is your moon? What is your rising? What is ascendant signs? What are you talking about, Kat? Come join me to learn. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you for existing.